Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a classic Chinese home dish, pork belly with Chinese pickled cabbage. It's super flavorful and goes perfectly with rice. So let's get started. First, we start with cold water and blanch the pork. Make sure the water covers it. Then add a spoon of salt for some flavor. Next, slice the pickled cabbage into thin strips. Now cut the pork belly into thick slices. Don't go too thin, like about the thickness of your pinky finger. Set the pork aside on a plate for now. Next, rinse the pickled cabbage with cold water. Then squeeze out as much water as you can. When the pot is hot, add oil. Add the spices and stir fry until fragrant and slightly colored. Add the drained cabbage and stir fry on high heat until the water is gone. Pour in the water used to blanch the pork, enough to cover the cabbage. And we add the pork. Cover the pot, turn to medium heat, and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Add the glass noodles and simmer for another 10 minutes. Now let's make the sauce. In the bowl, add the soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sugar, then minced some garlic.